Helo pawb. I'm doing my test. So pawb wneud, how is everybody doing? I hope you're having doing well. Took a little break from playing Sims because I think it's good to have a digital break. A break from digital. Can't break or digital. But diolch if you're joining the stream. Thank you everybody if you're joining the stream. Ydych chi'n mynd o'r stream. Neu ydych chi'n gwylio'r fod. Diolch arian am gwylio. Usual spiel. So this is my Sims Fibonacci legacy. Just a little catch up. Dan ni'n goffan Gen 1. We're finishing Gen 1. Dan ni'n goffan Gen 1. Dwi'n meddwl, so plan B heddiw, my main plan, don't know if it'll work, is to get both of the twins married, so that Gen 1 can see them being married. Fel Gen 1, bod y genhedlaeth gyntaf gallu cael nhw'n cael ei priodi, and maybe have a baby in there. So I changed the house around a little bit. Nes I newid y tŷ rownd dipyn bach. So this is Mai's and this is Enwis's. But I think I'm still going to move Mai out because the house I built for the second gen is better to have 3 Sims and more in it. Mae'r tŷ dwi wedi arfer yn gallu expandio fwy, can expand better. But I think, so today I've got everybody as a vacation day. Dwi'n cael pawb fel dydd vacation, dydd holiday, and I think we're going to go to the park and just have a honestly a nice day out and maybe retire Cariad because he's not long for this world. Dim here. I need to check on Herm as well. Dwi'n angen checio ar Herm because dwi angen trio cael I need to try and get basically I want to try, I built a cemetery did you adeiladu mynwent and Dewch in a church in North Wales and Gogledd Cymru syml harlach neu harlach, and it's a really good, it can be used as a wedding. It can also be used as what do you call it, just where to put your graveyard as well, so really good for wedding graveyards and all that. Ti'n on toilet na ti'n iawn, hygiene, okay. And also so Fibonacci sequence, so I'm glad if you don't know, mae sequence Fibonacci yn mynd 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 carry ymlaen. The Fibonacci sequence goes 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So we've got 2 in this generation. There's going to be 3 in the next generation and 5 in the generation after that. So that's why I think we're going to be changing this. But do not lawr. Yeah, that's weird. So I think we will be changing that this because of that, because of hwnna. We've also got careers put in as an entertainer, fel entertainer a tech guru ar gyfer hyd, credu. Yeah, tech guru, which they're already on level 3 because of the planning stuff they've done. So this is my first playthrough of playthrough gynta o Nid Legacy, doing a legacy. I don't know if actually next generation might get the team to have a job, cael swydd, because school didn't seem to really do a lot of bonuses. I'm good as on need on anghywir, I don't know if I was doing it wrong, but school didn't seem to have like a lot of bonuses. I'm only dead, I don't know. I'm sure beth yn neud. No idea what I'm doing. Dwi'n just mynd along, bwyd. Dwi'n doing bwyd, hygiene. Bladder could do. I have mastered using one toilet rhwng lot o Sims, because you just see what people need first. Beth pwy sy'n am be, ti'n am toilet wedyn, I think. But I think generally for the next next generation, I'm gonna have 2 bathrooms. Maybe not full bathrooms. Okay, well, it wouldn't be a Sims playthrough if it wasn't. I just wanted you to have a nice meal. Eisiau chdi cael pan ti'n mynd gadael fi? Tan y fynd? Okay. Well, that's... O, hwnna'n dechrau dda. It's a good time. Let's just gyd i cario ymlaen. We are gonna get you Dusty cael shower, because I was just trying to get like their cooking level up a little bit. Cael level cooking nhw fyny. Cool. So fi chdi brecwast. Neu cael frittatas. I know you all need food. Ni'n trio gael bwyd I chi. We do like a check-in.
Oh, Dewchka. Do not wah. Hekla. Sanadeola?
I think sefyll wrth ymyl y lle tân. Maybe you don't... Yeah, maybe you don't stand in front of where the food place needs to be made. Yeah. I don't know if like, so the whole dating thing, I don't know if anything actually comes of it. Os mae rhywbeth yn dod o fo. Don't know if anything actually comes of it. I know it's sort of ar gyfer y bwyd. I know it's for the world, but... We shouldn't have any fights, dylsen ni ddim cael tân. Dylsen ni ddim. The other one I want Caria to do before they die as well is I want them to just finish writing the song. Gorffennu'r can. Not if they finish doing like one last song, because I think that'd be quite cool to be like, hwnna'n quite cool I cael that un can dwytha sort of type thing, and I've moved everything from or inventory no, or I moved dwi symud bod dim o inventory no just account ar just account. Okay. So then nid yn eto da ni am cael pawb cael brecwast nice efo'i gilydd. Everybody have a nice breakfast together. Yeah, we always do this.
Smetzel. Prisham.
Oh.
When about?
Well, I thought there's a table there with like enough. I don't know. Really don't know. Yeah, how breakfast was good. I thought it'd be a nice day. Everybody has like breakfast together. How breakfast for Gilly. She's still getting royalties. Do you want to check out if I need to do can I get you to do any more license on Creadigol? No, you're good. Okay. I don't know if you can license on, and again, I don't know if the next gen if you can do that. So we're just gonna get everybody's needs up first before we go park. I get you to cook some extra food just to have. Oh no, can you board in the park? You can do food in the park. We're fine for that. Doing quite at a intense. Okay, so I'm gonna get you. Just my bonnet. They're nearly there doing it. So while everybody else is getting ready, try and pop and cael barod. I think we do that. Ti'n iawn. Be ti angen? You can go for pee. I feel like the mum in the house is like, mum and a teulu when in the place like, cool, we're going somewhere. We're gonna leave the house. Has everybody gone for a pee? You know, like, everybody gone for a pee? Everybody done what you want? You're bored? You got snacks? I think we maybe just do for a little bit. Get maybe a bit of just practice and programming while we're just waiting on Sims to get hygiene and stuff. Don't want to do it too late because I do want to go to park. Actually, do you really need a shower? Do you really need a shower? We can do that at the park. Bring it in the park. We can do all this in the park. Actually, I've decided we're gonna just go travel. I've been down to really bit. So plan. Great plan. Plan heddiw. So we're gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna have to get one of the kids to do it. Plan heddiw. I want to try and get Kurt and Mai with each other. I want a Herm to come. Do you show Herm Lord? Because Herm is essentially part of the family at this point. Dan and Taylor. Kurt, I did have Jim. Jim's still a teen for Envis. I think Envis, we just see who is there in the park. Pushing down the park. I'm thinking if we go park as well, there might be more like young adults there. Well, that's Kevin in. No, just Travelio. We can do that later. Getting it in a minute. You are the responsible one. Irresponsible. Gawn ni llnau am hwn funud, mae'n iawn. Dan ni cael tân, we've had a fire. It's not quite the start of the day as ni chwilio amdan. It's not quite the start of the day we were looking for. But that's okay. And then, so I've got 4 more spots in the family. I think 8 is max, 8 di max. So if I can move both of their partners in, partneriaid nhw fewn. What I was thinking is, if I move, as soon as I move that partneriaid, we start getting the next generation done. Trio cael y generation nesaf i wneud. cariad, my OG Sims can just have a nice day out. Then I plan I'm going to leave them to do on my show. Just going to leave them to do what they want. With her, like talk to her, just socialise, just like have a nice day out. And then we're going to retire cariad because my bron yna. Once we know Mai's pregnant, I'm going to retire my sim. I'm going to try and also get more paintings, going to get mwy o celf I pasio mlaen i'r cenhedlaeth nesaf hwn. So, like I've dwi wedi dangos yn Rhan gynt, like I've shown in some ones before, I have multiple photos of both. I know you want to schedule a date, but can you flirt? Let's do a check on her. No, it. So yeah, so dwi eisiau trio cael cenhedlaeth nesaf. A pasio pethau pasio lawr and stuff to pass down. I'm going to try and get stuff to pass down for the next gen. So I got paintings, I've got more photos that I'm going to have to, you know, and Kurt, I know Kurt was single last time, so I need to check here. Please say you are. And we add any word preference now. So we do Kurt. Then you say hi to him, because, you know, don't talk about cooking. Herm is very bad at cooking. We're just going to get conversation there. And then end this. Let's see. Oh, it's not showing in a park. It's not showing in a park, it's in young teen. Are you young teen? Young adult? You're adult. I kind of like a young adult. Let me make you a young adult. What is it? Oh, is it elder? What is it older? Probably no pobl sy'n hen. I want to try and find a date for you in about the same age. Maybe park wasn't the best bit. We might have to do like a date thing with Envis. Let's just have like, we'll see. You know her. Fancy need friendly introduction. I don't get this about the game, Lucia. Do not get this about the game. Sometimes dwi ddim yn gael am game. It's really weird.
Mumba Tarbabon.
Gobnef?
Shada.
Ooh, kidepta.
What's my alarm set for?
Falabalon.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Ooh, harpin. Ah, nopsa. Swag.
Sanadeola?
Ah, yips.
Okay, so we'll do like a little bit of talking. We'll, you know, we'll get some stuff done. Let's hug him. Just want to see somewhere pobl. Sometimes when you're in the park, we see in the park somewhere pobl and just nod. You need toilet. That's fine. You can go pee then. After that, what are we gonna start working on? Envis. Putty, who are you? You young adult? Nope, you're an elder. I want to try and get the same age for Envis. Might have to go ella the nightclub.
So,
Nightclub.
You're blick.
Crazo.
Okay, maybe we'll just do. So you can play chess. Pan ni'n chwarae chess efo yeah. No, you need to get... Do you have logic skill chdi fyny? We'll just play chess with him. We'll go about it back. Then... Okay, declare chess. We'll carry it. We're just literally having a day. Is that a young adult? Sorry, I feel like stalking people now. Is it? Oh, Crystal. Oh, you're cool. I like your hair. Wait, do you want agos I Kurt though? That's fine. You're gonna go talk to Crystal. You're not gonna play chess with him. I'm gonna see. Just gonna make friends. Just need Findia.
Yevkabumzoi, Falanas Pitfall, Vivanj.
I want you, so you can play chess with Kurt in a second. Do we shift these left too? Because I need to get you. Do you actually need a blur? Let's just need flirt. Let's flirt just to see.
Yakula Brugi.
Just to go out.
Playun Zaruga, Kisab. Smurg Zukinik Safoim, Lampima.
Yes, my own single.
Cael.
Yes.
Chabe. Zenjin.
Hell yeah. Let's do a heartfelt compliment. We're gonna be on the prowl. Yeah, we're pro. We're gonna be on the prowl. You're cool. You're tense. Oh, okay. Let's do such get to know. And this has got options. And this has got options. Not sufficient to do gameplay. Oh, is it internet connection quality? Oh, okay, I don't know if my stream's been loud. Don't know if the stream went a little bit laggy then.
Fashion, Naboma. Reba, Ukinikan
I want to schedule a date. Can you just... we can just ask you on a date. Oh, ti'n gallu. That's cool. So what are we needing now? Janessa. Not Janessa, we'll do that now because we'll just have it here.
Oh, twll. Bobanef?
Can't at the way.
Following traits for Crystal. Good. Okay.
Skibi Wina?
Oh, why don't you join game? And then you just have like open chats. I do want you to socialise stuff. I do want like the OG Sims to socialise, but it is mainly on the younger Sims. Likes the colour green. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna colour gwyrdd. Lliw gwyrdd. You look like an elder. Crystal's the only young adult. Nah, come on, game. Give me more options. Give me more options. We might have to go with just Crystal then. Neat. You're going pee. Okay, that's fine. I want you to no Crystal. Then I get to know. Ask about career.
Bemi Zayaga? Kibao Chinosa.
Danny gallu gael allan o'r park. If you can come out with a park with 2 partners, that's cool. Water person at the other sports team. Okay, I don't know what that means. Well, career. I don't know what that matter. Well, career, but we will see. Oh, are you? No, you're an elder. You're an adult. You're not a darling. You just want a young adult. I could go with an adult. Something that's in for adults, but I really like the idea of like same age sort of type thing, so you just get a bit more out of it. I'd like you to check if she's single, just straight off. Asking single. Can you ask about romantic interest, David? Just so we don't waste time. Vi må waste amser.
Are we?
Now he's gonna come back. They're just weirdly hanging out there. Yeah. Anyways. Okay, so Crystal is single. I love Crystal. Dwi'n licio enw Crystal hefyd. To be with Envis. It might be one of the only options right now. Let's find out. So, I believe it's in here, right, Vama? Oh, Nanny. Skip right past you. Open Sim profile. Women and men. Sweet. Gonna be flirty. Well, let's get to know you first. We got partners. Let's just see how they go with the flirting first. Sut maen nhw flirtio gynta. Do small talk, interests. So I'm assuming they like sports. Maen nhw licio sports. I don't know if I have that. Just doing a massive queue. Doing a queue massive. Activities. Ask to hang out. You can do that. Ella. Friendly. Interest. That taste in music. You're sorted. You just concentrate on Crystal. 13. You just follow it over yourself. Go on. Why don't you go? Okay. My Sims, I don't, really matter what they're doing. They're just. Oh, I like the promise to dedicate a song. When I'm kind of nice. Let's just do that. So, just give him like. Don't flirt with him. If I put him up. And then, so we can concentrate on my. So, gonna do. I'm still trying to figure out stuff right now. Oh, okay, now gyfer cerddoriaeth. I thought that was for the partner, phone. Sorry, my phone just died. That's phone me marw. So I'm recording this on the PlayStation. Recordio'r PlayStation. I got the chat about my phone. Yeah, no, that's cool. So if I do schedule a date, if I need to schedule a date to gyfer that, does that mean they're going to leave that? Because I'd rather just aros in the park. So I would like to just stay in the park because that's where everybody is. Is it wrong to just get married in a day? Ydy'n anghywir I just cael priodi mewn un dydd hefyd? Yeah, ti'n just mynd you're just going to where you are. Socialise with date. Sit and talk with your date. Flirt with your date. Okay, cool. Let's go here. Let's chat here. And then, does that mean a demo?
Oh, Denise.
Will that mean you will go here? Does it sit and talk with your date?
Ah, Creadigol. Bay.
Flirt.
Flirt.
Press with video games. I don't know. I believe they do like video games. What's happening? And digwydd. Sorry, Envis. You can do one eiliad. You can do your thing.
Hannah paid to Bono. When else?
Come on. Oh, Camille. I prefer to talk about something else if you don't mind. Was that dream job maybe? Or video games? What? Are you broken, Kurt? Okay, do you what? How about... Is there a chess game free? Let's actually chwarae fo, Kurt, because then you can just... Oh my god, the Sims... No, the Sims is coming now. Ma'n yn dod one. There's a really weird glitchy bit there. Envis, we will now need Envis's partner. We will do in a second. Don't you dare. Okay, cool. Maybe just want to do an easy. Vanna, can you sit there then? Don't. I know, I'm trying to get you to do date things. Pan mae'n mynd yn anodd I deitio? No, I think it's why is it like a weird thing? No, why is dating so hard? In that tease flirtatiously, let's blow a kiss. Let's do this. I wonder if we can. We could do the first kiss. Is it gonna be? Gallu gael nhw priodi heddiw. Oh, sweet nothings. Joke. Lle mae na wneud joke. Friendly. Small talk. Na interests. Don't know.
Sorry,
And
I think Envis is... Go talk to your date, Envis. You are courting someone. Ych chi'n cortio rhywun. Don't ruin my... Envis. The first kiss? Oh! Envis just looking like... Oh, hi.
Grumsery.
How... Wait. Hold on. Why have you just got...
Playun Zaruga.
That's kind of nice. Well, that's kind of nice, but chdi'n... Serenity? Flirt for your date while being flirty. Pan ti ddim yn flirty? Let's do embrace. I mean, it's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. A little bit chaotic. I don't know, it's a little bit chaotic.
Zora, Bonkaru, Kanoimi Sedafish.
Will something bad happen if your date isn't good? If my date's chdi'n yn dda? Ennis, thank you, but I need to concentrate on my... Should I concentrate on my...
Bravobi Hapiam Hebony. Fabrihe. Gibaru Benu.
Diolch. Why are you not? Like, can I hold hands and kiss? Ah. Why are you not? Yes, ask my boyfriend. Sorry.
Sharp gal
I just need to get things done quickly. To be honest, because I'm certain I don't know how much time we've got left. Who are you? You look cool. Are you an elder? Are you a young adult? You're a teen. No, not dating you. You're a minor. No. Teen. There's a lot of llawer o dewis ar gyfer young adults. There's not a lot of choices for young adult. I think Crystal's gonna be our next. Yeah, I think Crystal is probably gonna be our next. You look like a teen. Yeah, cool. So we've got choices. I want to do my date first.
Im. Fubawatso. Oh,
Oh, that's really cute. Everyone's just cheering on. Yes.
Sawana Nuloi. Abi.
So, me and that, we're getting there. I know that sounds weird, but can I just get them to marry today? Why are you not flirty also, Team Shakursky? Well, you know, is there a woohoo bush? Can you go woohoo somewhere? No, I don't think so. Don't know the man a woohoo bush. Is there a woohoo bush in the park?
Im. Rapani Varuda.
Do you wanna? I'm gonna get you to move to the household when I'm sudden, but I think it will be fine. I'm trying to do a joke. I might joke with your partner. Joke about funny family. Pose. Sorry, I know it sounds weird. I just need to get things quick. I want to do such a call priotas. I want to get at least one wedding before my OG Sims die. Can the Sims OG be marrow? I want to get, you know, a wedding. Cause that would be cool. Come on, let's get married today.
Dobby.
Oh, Visharibo.
So I know it's quick, but you know, went on a date, and you end up with a wedding. Yes, we were in the shop. My plan gweithio. It's chaotic, but the plan's working. If you need somebody in the household, you can move to the household because we're gonna need you. That's amazing. I love that. Cool. We could have a wedding today, I think, to be honest with you. What's that? What's doing that? Meet someone new? Oh, well, yeah, I'm an Iliad. We kind of got priorities right now, if I'm honest. Elope immediately was cut? That's cute, but you're not gonna be eloping. Be enticing. Come on, jokes. Where is the jokes in this? Oh, they're funny. I brink, not think. Mynd fi ddim gallu meddwl fan'na. My wedding, little wedding. I can't do woohoo, because I don't think there's any way I can do woohoo. Honestly, didn't mean to build mode. We're just gonna have a wedding right now. Oh, we're gonna move you into the family. And then we can get Envis to go out with Crystal. And that's pretty much then sorted, I think. More choices. Ani ddim yn sylweddol bod o dan funny. I did not realise that it was under funny at all. Can you take a picture with him? Oh my god, yes, we need to do this. Danny and Anthony, you got the camera. Take photo with... doesn't matter. I could have thought about it. I could have got my sim, my OG sim, to take a picture of them both. I can't lean on those eyes.
Pomeray
Never
Bahira.
mind. Too much. This is something we're planning. Something that I planio.
Open. Vappin. Loopy.
Can I call like, deep conversation? Lle mae deep conversation? Deep thoughts? Oh, yeah. Oh, Bren, ymenydd, ddim yn gweithio heddiw. I want to just get a really good date, and then I think we just have a wedding. Then it's cael priodas. I need to figure out. Dwi eisiau figure allan though. Can you get the a stand? The stand for the camera, so that costume of pouts. I think that'd be really cool. Nope. So this thing that basically, if you take like 4 or 5 sy'n can put in a pimp, just makes your skill go up, and your skill chdi mynd fyny, and you can also ti'n gallu just cael you can get better photos of lluniau well hefyd. I think if we can get a priodas, a wedding today and a baby on the way, a babi ar ffordd, we were good. Any young adults for thingy? Elder. Sorry, I'm on the lookout. So yeah, lookout. Ooh, ti newydd. Who are you? Oh no, you're a teen. Park. Why is the park full of elders, adults, and teen, and no young adult? Do you know what? Crystal, I think, is the one that's going to be then. Crystal, dwi'n meddwl di dewis chdi. Teen, yeah. Cool.
Nobo.
Oh, Quapo.
Lavar.
You do that, and I'm just going to skip at all the data. Why is it just Sim? Sim can get a boost. Whether they use. Okay, wait, hold on. Eiliad. I forgot about this. Foodie. Oh, that's cool. So I can do all the cooking then. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Gen then. This is gonna be fun generation then.
Oh, should be around.
Fallibalums. Harpy.
Oh, oi, Brist.
Woohoo. Say please be to woohoo. No. Can you just like do an event for wedding? Seriously, just like about. No, you can't. Okay, we're just gonna do wedding. I think don't need to priodas. I think we should do it. We can get both. 5:55. So standing it. Oh, there's not a lot of time for them to get to young to adult. I need to be on the kids thing. We're moving a bit quickly. Then I submit. Don't have a cake. Then we have a cacan. Okay, automatic. We're gonna do you, chdi, Jim. We're gonna get Crystal i ddod draw. We're gonna have Crystal to come over as well. Let's do. Let's have a musician. Just gonna have a big wedding. Caterer, then just cael priodas mawr. We'll have a mixologist. We're gonna do it in Plaza when we're gonna do it now. And I think we will get this done. And then if I can get Plaza one has got everything in it, so we can bake a then cael cacan in there. We can get one of our Sims to do a cake. Do it for 7, but it'll probably give me the prompt now. Cool. Dwi'n amser I chdi cael nap fama, cos there's no point in data. No point to go home. Do a friendly introduction, cos ti eisiau cael rhywun newydd. Friendly introduction and nap. Just nap sudden. I don't need to be super tired on your wedding. I do priodas. How are you finished the date? Yeah, I don't really go on a date at all, and then you just priodi. Cool. I mean efficient. I guess efficient dwi'n gesio. We're gonna ask Crystal to come as well, I think. Cael Crystal I ddod. Did say go to event? Just mynd I cael Crystal I ddod I hwn. No. Event is currently wait. Danny Mana, we're not there. Okay, don't know. I have no idea why this isn't working. Let's see, because Sims, Savio gyfer Sims, no priodas, and this will be the end of this episode, I think. And then I'm going to try cael lluniau. I'm going to try and get photos as well. No! We're not at the wedding though. Okay, Neiliad. End early. Okay. Can I go to there now? Dwi'n gallu trafeilio no one? Okay, so nes I malio dipyn bach. I broke it a little bit. Just dipyn bach, but it's the Sims, so it's not the most reliable. Di o ddim y most mwy reliable. But ni'n cael priodas o'i plan work. Nath plan I fi gweithio. This is starting the chaotic bit now though. Hwna'n dechrau bit chaotic, so we're going to try for baby heno. All in one day. In byd. Ni'n trio gyfer babi. We're going to retire cariad. Got second gen going. Now I understand why legacy challenges are so chaotic with you. After watching Little Simsies one, I fully understand why sometimes the it can get chaotic. I can see why it can get chaotic. Yeah, if you go there, everybody should be coming here in a second anyway. Also pawb bod, everybody should come. Then we have a priodas efo hym. We've got all of our OG Sims there. So kind of benisio. So we've got hym, we've got all the OG Sims there. So it's kind of what I was going for. Diolch pawb who's watching the VODs hefyd, pwy sy'n gwylio VODs and hop out in the live stream, everybody's in the live stream. Sorry, I'm concentrating to canolbwyntio because I didn't realise mwy o Sims ti efo, mwy chaotic a mwy ti just gorfod meddwl am pethau. I didn't realise that like the more Sims you have, the more chaotic it gets and the more you just have to concentrate on the things. So I'm going to ask Crystal to hang out a lot. We're gonna have okay, ti'n gallu gael mynd am nap sydyn. Oh no, there's a coffee machine. Go get coffee. Coffee machine in multiple places. This is why I built Plas Awen. Because it's handy, mae'n lle coffi'n llefydd multiple. I want you, dwi eisiau chdi I gofyn I going to hang out current lot crystal. Then I want you to do the same. Those are Kurt stored anyway. Kurt should come anyway when the event starts. And then you want you to get her Midorima. And then most of the Sims are already here anyway. Oh, Alexander Goth as well. So Danny, dwi'n meddwl Danny fod teulu. I think all the family's there. And then you, be dwi'n eich gwneud yw cwcio cacan. Need you to cook a cake. I think dyna beth ti'n gael priodas. I think that's what you need for a wedding. Let's do white cake, cacan, gwyn. When we've done this bit just before the wedding, I will do a thingy-majiggy. I need to do a... What's this here? Oh, pobl with... Hey, Llyfrannol, put your books back. Don't let them out in the wild. Crystal will be right over. Kurt is coming. Herm is coming. You want to snooze as well. Can you go for like a nap? Oh, you can. I'm gonna go with that. Just go for that. That's handy. No, actually, just grab some coffee. Cael coffee. Is it? You can just call nap, if I'm honest. I'm gonna go into build mode quickly. So. Hyn oedd yn un arall I adeiladu Plas Owen. This was the other bit of building Plas Owen because I could use it for like weddings and stuff as well. Thought the back bit of Dan Kevin. Sorry, Creadigol is this would be a good time to get his affairs in order. No, don't die at the wedding. Please put him marwad a priodas. Oh. We could have it here. And we also cool cael priodas yn fama, but this is a bit tight, but we could get like some nice photos after maybe. I think if we just have maybe the priodas here, the wedding here, I think that should be like okay. I haven't actually done a wedding before. Well, alright, no, I don't think I've actually done a wedding before. So this will be fun. Outdoor activities. Honestly, I think they're really cute. Can I? That's not that. Hold on. Photography. Is there like a stand or something for photography that I can do like photos, or is that a mod? I don't know if it's a mod. No. Okay, so we're just gonna have to try and get a photo trio cael llun. We have the cake here, that makes sense. We gael just cadeiria yma. Don't even need to do that. Wait. So you got fun in a monument. I could have had it in the nice cemetery wedding bit. I did. Oh, do that back. I did like a nice little like cemetery building, a nice little like wedding cemetery bit. That's annoying. So that's fine. I thought I finished need a go priodas. The church actually did for weddings. We can have Ennis and Crystal can get married there then. Wedding priodas. We make an effort into this. Mwy o effort na be'n i'n meddwl. Look, man, edrych dipyn bach odd, but honestly, kind of like it. Kind of like it. And it's quick. Mae'n rhywbeth sydyn. Yn drydus nesaf we will actually do in, you know, proper place. But fama, I can get my Sims to, you know, have coffee. Savio. Gweithio Sims? Sims gweithio for me. Don't, Sims, don't. No, 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 no. We have had a fire already. Please don't. Oh, you're here. Hello. So we have a wedding, and I guess we can start doing a date as well. So 18. Siarad efo Crystal. Dod o Crystal. Dwi eisiau chdi siarad. Don't lie about career. It's not. I mean, why are you fel na? It's gonna be wedding. Dwi'n eisiau chdi fod intense. You are gonna be asked John also in a second actually. Because that would be cool. Get to know. Just try my pawb cover. Oh wait, has anybody got amser chdi gael neud cacan? There's time for you to make a cake, yes. Wait, lle mae pawb wedi mynd? We're making a cake. Cool, ti'n neud cacan fan'na, that's fine. Cool. Protest dechrau. Okay, wait. The child needs a cake and a wedding arch. Do we have a wedding arch? Oh, you can read your vows. Ti'n gallu read your vows hefyd. Oh, mae'n really cute. I think we might do that eventually. Okay, everybody's going to change into nice clothes. Pawb yn newid I dillad neis. Outfits. Change outfit. Gonna get into our nice clothes. Leather jacket. Pawb, I'm gonna get you into nice outfits. Because man, amser neis. It's a nice time. But people can dress how they want to. If I'm honest, I kind of like this. It's an informal. Mae'n priodas informal. Dyna beth ydi o. Do you have a wedding dress? Can I get a wedding dress for you? Oh, isn't that a dress? Is there a dress nearby I can use? Yes. Plan outfits. Ar gyfer chdi. And then lle wyt ti? Ti'n fama. Yeah, I'm gonna get you in a nice dress. Frog nice. Okay, so I'm just cael caca neud. We'll get everybody to gyda cael coffee mewn eiliad. Grab a drink. Just pawb cael coffee. This is the pre-wedding. Cyn y priodas. No, I don't really like that outfit on you. Dwi'n licio gwisg yna yn chdi. Oh no, mae'n cute. Oh, Hold on, I seem to not licio hwnna. Beth bynnag digwyddodd fan'na. Ti'n neud cacan? Lle ti'n mynd? I think my Sims is broken. No! It just crashed. I did nothing. Banish. Oh no, it's going to cast. It's going to cast. Oh, brain me. I thought it fully crashed then. And what did it crash over there?
Sneaky.
Yeah, okay. Oh. Oh, I know about the crash over there. I had a panic. Like, slight little panic. I want you. I'm getting married. Yeah, I don't. Full body. And it does. Jamisha really frog queen. I don't want a white dress. Just a dress. Is that an actual wedding dress? Oh, queen. Oh, my gwir switching king gymaint. I love that. Okay, wait. I think we've got that. What pack? Is that a pack or something? Honestly, yeah, you're married to the Goth family. We're gonna have a black dress. But frog on that dress is stunning. Yeah. I don't think you need a headdress or anything. Oh, no, lovely. Okay, cool. So we're just gonna have Jamila. I think the cake is done. I think I can afford a cael pobl yna. Can I get everybody to like congregate fan'na? Unwaith mae cacan 'di neud. I might get my 2 OG Sims to renew the vows hefyd, renew vows nhw hefyd. I'm on a very chaotic path. On a very chaotic organedlaeth of the generation. But it's fine because we're just going to move curtains to the household and they can have baby. And I got baby, that's trydydd genhedlaeth wedi dechrau then. My plan is, fel bod ni'n gallu cael digon o amser I cael 3, so I can have enough time to have 3 in this. Do one now, then when the kid is a toddler or maybe a child neu plentyn neu toddler, have another one because not having 2. And then we've got like a little bit of gap, which is cool to have, you know. Jamila, what are you doing there? Be on earth wyt ti'n neud? Ti'n mynd i'r bwthyn? You going? Oh, well, there's gaps there. I have no idea what my Sims are doing. Excuse me, that's not your outfit. That's cute. That's not your outfit. Dim ond gwisg chdi. Doing that one. That looks cuter on you. Lle mae dy groom? Lle mae dy gŵr? Where is your groom? Kurt is already here. Where is Kurt? Mae yna lot o bethau yma. Alexander Goth. Go there. Where's Kurt? Didn't I do like a plot yma? That's one thing I don't like about this plot. Saying that everybody's already here, but I don't know where everybody is. Oh no, actually, don't do that. Go be like, hey, look at my dress. So okay, story. This is the pre-wedding bit. Lle mae'r... Oh, it's in works. Okay, so lle mae'r where the bride gets ready. Lle mae'r bride yn mynd yn barod. And she's gonna be like, oh hey, look. Diolch am ddod. Diolch am ei cacan. You're in the cake. Why are you running in?
So. Some more.
Sila.
Yep, Eunice,
Ah,
you know.
Jim.
Don't eat it. I'll put in you. Why can't I do that? No, can you do that inventory V? Put an inventory. Don't take a piece together. Put an inventory. Then hey. Hey. Like hey.
Not a fish.
So this is getting ready. The macacan.
Bruce.
Cacan's ready. Then I think, can we like call everybody here? Dan ni'n gallu fatha galw pawb draw? Well, I want you to go here. Because we're gonna... Oh no, can I just put the cake here? In here then. Lle mae cacan? Can everybody go here together? Yeah, do. Weithio. Come on. There you go. Inventory. So dan ni fo wedyn art. Dan ni fo art priodas. Dan ni fo cacan priodas. Go ganol board. It's going to be middle table. Let's do wedding cake topper. Sorry, I know it's in siarad, but I want you to go there before somebody takes a piece. Don't you dare take a piece. Come on. Cute. And then I don't know where Kurt's gone. I don't know where my Kurt's in. Wait, cannot start as well one. Invite them here first. Excuse me, Kurt. Ti'n eisiau dod I priodas? Do you not want to come to the wedding? Where's Kurt? Come on. Yeah. Well, I'm not barreled, but I can't see him. Herm's here. Everybody else is here. Maybe we'll see. Says he's not on the current lot though. Okay, well, let's, I guess. Where's Kurt? Oh no. I done like a nice bit. Where's Kurt? Game. Focus camera. Lucy. Oh my god.
Ah.
Come on. Why? I have no idea why it's not letting me do this. Sims fiance isn't around. Invite them here first. Okay, so if I go here. Everybody comes here. Come on. Palmlord? Why does that not work for you? Come on. Okay, so you're here. Ti'n gallu neud call over? Oh, sorry about this. Sorry, man. I didn't think the groom would just not want to come. So to need, how do you like call over? I'm sure. Don't know how you meant to do this. Can you do a call over? Don't even know. Okay. You have met Kurt before. Ti wedi cael cyfarfod Kurt again. Why is Sim just not let me do an introduction? Will that get him to move? Just gael chdi symud. Come on. I just want to get you to get married.
Yeftime Abasani.
Can you just like... Don't? Just need hynna, and then... Has this happened to... Didn't digwydd I anybody new rhywun arall? I just wanted like a nice wedding, but you've been like stood up at the altar.
Yes.
And these are priodas knees. But you have just been like stood up at the altar. Let's just take a nice photo. Pan i dim cymryd lle neis efo dy... I'll take a photo. First take a photo. Does that work? It does! Oh! Gweithio, mae'n a bit too close and rhy agos. But... Nope. Oh, look! Okay. Maybe not best time to take a photo. I cymryd lle yma, di cael stood up by... Di cael stood up by, you know. Thingy. Take a photo with Mai. And we'll do a... Take a photo of Mai. Since priodas nhw. How's Carrier getting on with thingy? Are we gonna actually get him to come here? Okay, so ti'n siarad. Go here together, pawb. Sorry, I thought this would be easier to do. Pam ti'n fanna?
What's the matter?
Crystal. Do a friendly introduction in Crystal tan ein ysgol, because diom yn mynd, it's not going well. Diom yn mynd dda iawn. Ah, come on.
Fire?
Amador. Huh? They beeped.
Pawb yn dod. Is everybody coming, including the groom? Wave you. Try to mynd. Sorry, this is chaotic. You getting married there? Ti'n cael priodas fan'na? I mean, that's cute.
Oi. Kenneth. Huh.
I want it in front of the archway. Okay, well, it's classic Sims.
Fuma. Twango bish.
Teulu chi gweld grisiau. All your families are downstairs and you just got married here.
Yep, on a rift.
Cool. Sorry, plan. It's such a Sims thing for us to happen. It's glitched. So, can you not... So, can you do this now? Please, thank you. Pawb yna.
Plus a May?
Oh no.
Half a tub fibose. Jewel.
Game, come on, just... I know everybody's not happy. Can you just, like... sit? I know, do go back to people now. Don't collapse at the wedding.
Nilshaba. Tomarimple. Lamita
Please
Noonkip.
don't collapse at the wedding. We just eisiau cael priodas neis. Just want a nice wedding. Are they both coming down? Yes. Oh fuck sakes. Cut. Finally! What do you have? Would not be Sims. Crystal, don't go. Do you know what? That's fine. Honestly, it's been a not very good wedding. Dim bod priodas da iawn. So mae'n understandable os ti'n eisiau ddod. Aros rhan o gwmpas. Okay, now mae'n digwydd. I think you're just exercising. Honestly, for some of them in Sims priodas, if it wouldn't be this chaotic. It wouldn't be a Sims thing if it wasn't this chaotic. Pawb jyst gadael. So chdi, take photo. Ti'n gallu tynnu llun? And I want you to renew your vows because I think that'd be cute. Can you just tynnu llun? Yes! Sweet! Sorry, I don't know if it's like a mod or something. There's a mod or something that, like, not best angle. That's cute. For like being able to take a picture. The camera stand. Oh, just the adult. Everybody's left as well. Everybody's just left. Where's Envis gone? Oh, Envis. Attend the wedding. Oh, this is chaotic. More than chaotic. Oh, this is very chaotic. Oh, I don't even have it everywhere. Ond gweithio, it's working. Dyn nhw'n just exchange your vows in, like, the ganol nunlla. Oh, it's kind of cute. Dwi'n gwneud priodas yn gynt. Yeah, this time was a beautiful ceremony. and Miss just thought it didn't hurt and was just bringing it like, oh hey. Don't fall asleep. Paid â disgyn I gysgu. Let's wait for the newlyweds to take a slice. Paid â disgyn I gysgu. Ti 'di priodi wan? Are you married now? Groom, are you... Oh. She can't make it through her own ceremony. Ti'm yn gallu neud o trwy ceremony dy hun. Oh god, that's a screenshot. Oh, fuck's sake. Pawb jyst I gadael.
Frilus yabba.
Just, come on, just work, just gweithio. This is a terrible wedding present. It's so chaotic. Can you just get married, please? Wedding. Do you know, at this point, I think, yeah, no, attend wedding. Come back to the null. Just so the mellow, it's done. I think it's done, but it's not letting me cut the cake and still saying groom, and I'll do groom, so I just need to get this done. It was really cute. We're just doing through it. We're just going to skip through it, unfortunately. And then 4 days, we're just going to skip through it because I just need this to count. Pawb in the cysgu, get a new job in the bora. We've got jobs in the morning. I don't think they can get to renew their vows. Come on. Okay. Yeah! So but has it worked now? Just says groom still. That's fine. I'm assuming. Nachty. Pass out your wedding gun. Do what you can do. I'm gonna get you to renew your vows. Oh, too uncomfortable to do this right now. Grab a coffee. Just go and grab a coffee. No, actually don't. We're not going to renew vows. I thought it was what in Disney. I thought it was going to be a nice day. Oh, a nice organised day of, you know. Nice, easy, organised day. Everybody's passing out. Pawb pasio allan. Sorry, Kakan. We'll go home. Gonna get Kurt to join household Llybannagwael, wherever he is. Okay. Do you know what? That's fine. I think Mad got drossed. I think it's over. I do want you to get pictures of the newlyweds after. Cael coffee. We sort this out and that's the mixologist there. So the grand, Pioda's grand didn't quite work. Didn't quite work. We had the bride pass out like 2 times. You're going to move into the household. Sitting down friendly. Relationships? Lle ti'n neud hyn? Wait, yn neud so ti'n neud it? How do you get them to move into household? I'm gonna go with option. I think maybe we just, on that note, let's just try for baby. Oh my god, this just, honestly, let's just do it. Dan ni cael date, priodas, and baby. We've done it all in one day. Let's just do it.
Lurvy.
Timon, where are you going? No, just try for baby here. I mean, successful wedding. Priodas successful. We can renew your vows another day. Sunny sure. I think, although you should probably take a picture with Carrot, because Carrot has not got long. Actually, let's do that from a power boy. Let's do it when everybody's better. There's the bed. Mana gwely. Try for baby. So we can end this nightmare of a wedding that happened today, and I think with you. Ond dwi'n gwybod, I know how to do a wedding for next time. No, dwi'n gwybod sydd yn ei priodas gyfer tro nesaf.
So. Guess I know I want to fed. Ref C, new drip. Oh,
Don't chat. Just chatting. Just, do you want, let's finish this. I think we just send everybody home. Diolch i pawb yn ddod. Like to move in together? Yes, please. Oh, so you got like the goth family. It's Bella Goth. Demas Goth. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh, so you can transfer them out. That's cool. I don't think we need you to. A little bit, maybe. No. Sorry, new to this. Let's just do like. Let's just do it. I don't think I need to transfer anything over. Cool. Priodas, we're married, it's sorted. We're gonna try for baby. We'll get home. Diolch pawb yn ddod. Thank you everybody for coming. I hope you all have a lovely day. Llymag da chi. All have a lovely day wherever you are. Diolch if you're watching the VOD. Thank you for watching the VOD. I thank you for being in the stream. Thank you for the stream. Sorry this went a bit longer. It was a bit more chaotic than usual. Next time I'll be doing a date with Crystal, with Enwith, getting them married. Hopefully you'll try for baby in between. So yeah, cael dydd dda pawb. Have a lovely day wherever you are. Keep safe. Gydwch yn saff. Diolch pawb yn gwylio. It's a bit more chaotic. But it was okay.